Praying for Rain.
Yeah, we talk about getting older, but there's so much we haven't done yet. Some days I'm not here, I don't get dressed, and I curse my bedroom, but I left it all alone. Cause all this time I'm run away, run away, run away, run away, gone. And
Once again, this is Praying for Rain.
I picked up a quarter and I just saw my face, but it's all coming back now, and the feeling isn't over. Hey, I know I was lost, but I missed those days.
Entry number 203.
Send some rain, would you send some rain? Cause the earth is dry and needs to drink again. And the sun is high and we are sinking in the shade. Would you send a cloud, thunder long and loud? Let the sky grow black and send some mercy down. Surely you can see that we are thirsty and afraid. But maybe not today. Maybe you provide in other ways. And if that's the case, we'll give thanks to you with gratitude for lessons learned and how to thirst for you, how to bless the very sun that warms our face if you never send us rain. We'll give thanks to you with gratitude, a lesson learned to hunger after you, that a starry sky offers a better view if no roof is overhead, and if we never taste that bread. Oh, the differences that often are between everything we want and what we really need. So grant us peace, grant us peace. Move our hearts to hear a single beat between alibis and enemies tonight.